Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's interesting to see that one of the comments that is a fairly high number of users mentioning it, and I've seen it on so many blog posts, are people that don't understand why they should pay for Windows 10 extended updates when they have already paid for the operating system. You haven't paid for the operating system when you purchase Windows 10. You purchased a key, a license key to use it under Microsoft's terms and conditions. Now, for the most part, Windows versions have about 10 years of life. There's 5 years of active development, and usually the last 5 years are quiet. So, in effect, you've got a product that lasted its 10 years, which is pretty much every Windows version. And now you would need to buy a new PC. And that means that if you are using the extended support, $30 is not, pretty good price. Keeps your PC for another year. And the reason why they're asking it is because end of support is end of support. You are asking Microsoft to put people behind working for updates and fixing security flaws that are paid people, and an operating system that shouldn't exist anymore on PCs. So, in effect, I find it absolutely normal that you have to pay for an extended support for software like that. It's, no different than paying extra for getting something fixed that you've owned for a long time. Or, getting some extra insurance on a car or on a device just because you want to make sure that it could last longer. It's the same. It's a product, and Microsoft is there to make money. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.